लिखें जी, रेडी। Scrutiny of record transpires that despite availing as many as 6 opportunities, the petitioners have miserably failed to produce evidence. Full stop. In the case of Maulvi Abdul Aziz Khan versus Musammat Shah Jahan, Civil Revision number 3343-2014, 3 Begum and 2 others, PLD 1971, SC 434, the provisions of Order 17, Rule 3 of Code of Civil Procedure under bracket CCP 198 came under consideration before the Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan, and following principle was enunciated. Full stop. It will be seen that this rule applies to a case where time has been granted to a party at his instance to produce evidence or to cause the attendance of witnesses or to perform any other act necessary for the progress of the suit, and will not apply unless default has been committed by such party in doing the act for which the time was granted. Full stop. In this case, Sheikh Khalid Mahmood, petitioner number 1, while agitating against judgment and decree dated 16/9/2013 in his grounds of appeal before the learned additional district judge Sialkot, categorically alleged that he was pursuing the case on his behalf as well as on behalf of other petitioners, and that he, being a heart patient, had fallen seriously ill on the fixed date of hearing, that is 16/9/2013, and learned trial court was so informed by his counsel with a request for adjournment, but the learned trial court did not accede to the request and dismissed the suit under Order 17, Rule 3 of Code of Civil Procedure under bracket CPC 198. Full stop. Petitioner's contention that he was fallen seriously ill on 16/9/2013 is not supported by any medical certificate. Full stop. Admittedly, neither Sheikh Khalid Mahmood, petitioner number 1, nor his witnesses were present before the learned trial court on the fixed date, that is 16/9/2013. Full stop. Learned appellate court in the impugned judgment dated 25/6/2014 scanned the record produced by the petitioners along with the appeal and rightly observed that the same fails to substantiate the petitioner's plea of ailment on the relevant date. Full stop. It is therefore a case of willful default. Full stop. In the attending circumstances, the learned trial court had no option but to exercise his jurisdiction in terms of Order 17, Rule 3 of Code of Civil Procedure 98. Full stop. Reliance be made upon Ghulam Qadir alias Qadir Baksh versus Haji Muhammad Suleiman and 6 others, PLD 2003, SC 180. Full stop. Paragraph. Learned counsel for the petitioners has vehemently argued that the learned trial court was obliged to furnish an opportunity to the petitioner at least to record his own statement. Full stop. Perusal of the record transpires that neither the petitioner was present on the fixed date before the court nor any such request was made by the learned counsel for the petitioner to the learned trial court. Full stop. No application was lodged by the learned counsel for the petitioner before the learned trial court with a request for recording the statement of the petitioner. Full stop. Even no such request was made by the petitioner in his grounds of appeal before the learned appellate court. Full stop. In the above noted circumstances, it will be advantageous to seek guidance from a dictum laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan, reported as 2014 SCMR 637. Full stop.